Point five. Therefore, we have full control over our vibration, and thus we have full control over life and results. Like I mentioned first, remember, if something comes up, it's neither bad nor good. We make it good or bad. Now, some things that are massively what we call horrific happen, right? Can't seemingly explain things sometimes. Best thing that we could do is we can even say, this thing is so bad that there must be something so good on the other side of this, right? A lot of you know the Bob Proctor story where you were born rich, his book, right? He wrote the whole book by hand because this was years ago. I didn't have laptops and things, right? Wrote the whole book by hand on these pages and pages and pages. One day he was sitting in the back of a cab, had the book next to him, got out of the cab, and left the book in there. He didn't have his name written on it. He didn't have a phone number written on it. He didn't have anything written on it besides the content. The book was finished. Got out of the car. Didn't realize it, think till he got home or wherever he was. And his wife, I can remember him saying the story, his wife's like, aren't you like, you just lost all these weeks and months of the things. He's like, this is so bad. This must be so good. The book was probably no good anyways. I better rewrite it. And then I became, Bob Proctor as we know him. Huge seminars coming out of that. It's all about the perception. And the path isn't necessarily, the universe isn't throwing you over to the right side. You're still going straight on your path, but it says, this thing, we had to change this. Your business, you're doing the same thing. I had to crumble this in order for you to get what you want. I had to get this out of here so you could go this way. You keep asking for this desire, but you're not doing anything like this, so we're going to have to go around this as long as you have a positive attitude about this. Because if this thing crumbles and then you melt in frustration that it's crumbling and you think everything's going terribly, well, you're just going to keep going backwards. The train's going to keep going backwards. But if you have the perception and the point of view and control the vibration that you're in through your thought control, you start to say, all right, this must be a really good thing. I don't even know how. I don't even have to know how, though. I don't have to know where or when or what's going to happen for me to get to that other side, but I know it's there. Through the law of polarity, I know that if this has a front, this has a back. Now, I switched it, obviously, from my angle, though, it's the back. Is that an up without a down, right? Must be really good in the times of bad